Paper 2, question 2. It says you're given a function -1 minus 3 cos 6x. Now, this will always tell me how fast it repeats itself. So normally cos or sine repeat itself every 2 pi or every 360 degrees. But this is going to go 6 times faster, which means that it's going to repeat every 60 degrees. Okay, so that was cos, you know, or sine, you know, this one's going to go 6 times faster. Not even enough. But that's what that tells me there, the 6. This tells me how high and how low it goes, but obviously this is going to impact on that. So I'd normally say it goes up as far as 3, down as far as -3, but this is going to impact that. And it's helpful to have the sketch with it. So they want me to write down the period, which I have done, or that's the same as pi over 3. They want me to write down the range. Well, like I said, that tells me a good bit about it. And then they want me to sketch it from 0 to pi. So I'm actually just going to use this here just to show you that 1 affects it. Brings it down as far as -4 and up as far as 2. That -1 there. Okay, there's my 3 up as far as 3 and down as far as -3. But obviously, like I said, that impacts upon it. And then I could tell that from my sketch anyway. You're going to be sketching it. So you carefully could use your calculator to give yourself an idea, but you know it should look like cos, but just it'll be moved slightly, and in this situation it's moved down because of that -1. In part B, the first part is a proof, which you should be able to do. It's in your books, and there's a video on it as well. Part 2 though, since I've proven that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a in part 1, they want me to then show that in the case that the angle is obtuse, so if a is an obtuse somewhere between 90 and 180 degrees, then they want me to show that a squared is greater than b squared plus c squared. Well, what do I know? I already know from part 1 that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 times, b is going to be a plus number because it's a length, c is going to be a plus number, but the cos of any obtuse angle between 90 and 180 degrees is actually a minus, and you know this from your ASTC. It's going to be a minus here. Sine is the only plus, so that's a minus. So when you multiply this out here, you'll actually end up with b squared plus c squared plus 2 times something. Okay, so now if a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared plus 2 times, you know, something that's greater than 0, then you know that a squared must be greater than b squared plus c squared. And that's how you do that on B part 2.